So, we're here. The expert section. Are you ready to become an expert meditator? In this section, there will be no more mantras, no more anchoring to any external things, and I count any mental activity as an external thing as well, not only things in our physical surroundings, but anything that we can point at and say, I see this. So emotions we observe, hence they appear within us, and we can point at them. I am feeling anger, I am feeling joy. And so that is an external thing. Thoughts, surely we can point at. I'm seeing these thoughts, I'm hearing these thoughts. So any movement in our mental or emotional aspects are equally as external as the objects in our physical reality. So instead, we will go all the way to the core. There is no more training wheels. Now the rubber meets the road, you could say. And this is where we use the concept of the witness. Or more to the point, witnessing. Because this is what you are on the basic level. Awareness, being aware of whatever arises in the moment. And so instead of anchoring yourself to a mantra or the breath or any of the sense modalities or anything at all, you will simply rest as that which witnesses your life happening right now. But how do I do that, you might say? Easy. Surely by now it's easy. You do not do it. It happens all on its own. You cannot make it not happen. Because what you are at the core is witnessing, is awareness. You are something that is always aware. And that's the only main characteristic it has. It's just aware. So you can close your eyes and close your ears and close your nose and close everything up and stop thinking, and you will still be aware. So by not doing anything, you are just simply aware. And this is what will bring you to the truly deepest levels of yourself. It can bring you so deep, it's literally limitless. There is no end. And so where a mantra is temporal, it exists in time. You start doing the mantra and you end doing the mantra. Or you start focusing on your breath and you end the focus on the breath. Being aware of yourself as that which is aware and only is aware is not temporal. It's not in time. It's just now. It exists only now. There is no other possibility. This is the only real moment. In actuality, this is where life happens. Right? And so right now, become aware that you exist. This awareness of your own existence, knowing consciously that you exist right now, that you're alive, that is meditation. No more beating around the bush. This is meditation. All other techniques exist to take you here. All approaches to meditation, every focus element, anything that brings your mind to silence, the purpose of all of them is to get you here. To your existence, your knowing, self-awareness, not self-consciousness. It has nothing to do with being self-conscious. You're aware of being aware. This is the pool of limitless possibilities. And it is itself complete in every moment. It needs nothing. All experience happens for this one. So this is where you will be anchored, in the anchorlessness of what you are, through the rest of this course. See you in the next video.